Hi, this will be a quick video tutorial for how to use Apple CarPlay in Audi Q5. So the first thing you do, you plug in your USB cable to your phone, and the system will prompt you to activate Apple CarPlay. You just click on that and then you agree to use Apple CarPlay on the menu. After that, it pulls up the screen of your phone. Only relevant apps will be shown. In this case, we have few media streaming apps here. For instance, Pandora. Let's click on that. And this is the music that's playing straight from my Pandora app. And I can go back and click on Pandora right here. It will take you to all the stations that I have. This is the home button for your phone. So if I keep scrolling, eventually it will highlight it, and then I can press it and go to the main screen. From here you can use WhatsApp is another app that's supported. Spotify is another one. You can send and receive text messages clicking on Messages app, and also making phone calls. Now the only key thing here with the Apple CarPlay is when you are connected with the cable, Bluetooth automatically deactivates. So to initiate a hands-free call, you would need to long press the talk button, and then you will hear Siri's beep, and that should sound familiar, and you can have Siri make that phone call for you instead of briefly pressing and making a regular hands-free call. So whenever you're in CarPlay mode, since Bluetooth is deactivated, you need to long press this talk button and have Siri call the contact you're trying to reach. Hope this was helpful. Give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you.